I get that most people think they know everything about VS Code as they've been using it for a number of years, but I'm sure there are things that you've missed along the way. Maybe they're little tidbits, maybe it's something more. Either way, we're going to talk about that. Hello and welcome. My name is Brendan, and on today's episode of DevChatter, we're going to be talking about 3 more things that you may not know about VS Code. Let's get started. Did you know that you can customize the sidebar in VS Code? You can move it from the left to the right, either having it over here like that or over there like that. In addition, you can even choose which items you want to have in the list. Let's take a look at how that works. Did you know if you don't have any files open, you can just double click right in the start to get a file open? So if you want to just do a little bit of quick editing, just double click right in that welcome spot and boom, you've got a file. You can pick your language and some other options. Say I choose C# like that. Then I am able to create a C# file with all the syntax you'd expect. Did you know you can go to definition for anything that you're looking at on the screen in, say, C#? This works in other languages as well, but if you take a look, right there you can see that I'm creating a new instance of a type, calling a method on it, and returning the value. If I were to hold the Control key, you'll notice that it suddenly gets an underline indicating that it's a link. When you click on that, it takes you to the definition. When we come back, I can try holding the Control key and putting my cursor over the method name, and you'll notice that also becomes a link. And when I click on that, again, I go to the definition, this time of the method instead of the class. And then lastly, I can even hold the Control key, put my cursor over an instance of a variable, and it will take me to the spot where that instance was created. That works in a lot of other contexts more than I've shown here, and it works in a lot of languages as well. Go ahead and give it a try in your codebase. Hey, thanks for watching this quick VS Code tips video on DevChatter. If you enjoyed this content, do all the YouTube stuff that you know how to do. And if you want to catch us live, you can see us on twitch.tv/devchatter, or you can catch us in our Discord, where we chat about all things tech. You'll find links to all of this down below. Have a great day, and happy coding, everyone!